first spot. Tony, and right over there is the next item up for bids, and the price is right.
An elegant ceiling fan light. Intricate crystal and gleaming polished brass combine to create the elite ceiling fan from Encon. Features a French curved crystal light fixture in the side glass. Encon Industries.
Tony, will you please start the bidding on that prize?
Okay.
Her bid is $650. What is yours, Connie?
$500.
$500. Davina.
I'll say $650, please.
$650 is her bid. You can't do that. $649. Bradley?
$651.
$651. Now, one of you is exactly right. One of you is exactly right, and you are going to win a $100 bonus for a perfect bid. It is the bidder who bid $500. It is Connie. It is